And Tommy, I believe he is going to share about his creative process with music
Yeah,
composition,
yeah,
and
yeah,
also a recent project that you are working with Ronaldo. Is that correct?
yeah. That's the reason why I'm here actually.
Go
and
ahead.
and oh my gosh, I've seen you guys. All of you guys must be graduated from Hogwarts. You guys are wizard. You guys are amazing. I mean, all the visual aspects is so beautiful, so wicked. If I could borrow it from Stanley, and maybe from the costume could show the videos that I made. So actually, I'm uh, okay. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Tommy, and I do music for a living. So I get cursed into music from my family, and it is a pleasure to get here with music because I couldn't barely imagine before making music and be here with you in the same stage with you guys. It's just amazing. And right now, I try to show you the project that I've made with Parenaldo.
Once upon a
Maybe.
time,
Kelsey, can you show
as the
the
gods of
video?
this universe were creating the green, peaceful planet we know as Earth, they grew tired. They needed a place to rest, and they fell in love with their own beautiful creation. They decided to also create their second paradise. There they rest, and behold, the island of gods, the paradise we know as Bali.
Okay. If you guys don't mind, I will guide you through this video. So this is the music that I've made for this particular event with Ronaldo, and while they called me, they just asked me to make music for this festival and this event, and they give me total freedom to make music. And even there's some sentences that still stick in my head. You are the director of the video with this music. Okay, and I get a bit shocked. And they only give me three audio source, which is this chant, as you can hear in the display, and the first voiceover, which is sounded like Aslan from Narnia, and there's one more at the end of the music. And Parenaldo literally give me total freedom to make music, and that particular order, makes me so damn nervous. So basically, the music is all about telling how Bali was created, and then there is some struggle within Bali right now because of the pandemic, because of the past situation, and I try to recreate that feeling and that journey into this music. And as you can hear, there's some really sad moment, and then there's some struggle, and there's some contemporary part, just to make everything seems interesting. And here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. there you got it, the music. I would love to tell more stories about it, but time-wise, I guess it's pretty tight right now. And I would like to connect with you guys. I mean, is there still time for me
Yep,
to
yep,
talk a
yep.
bit?
You still have another like 5 or 6 minutes.
Okay. So basically, I will tell the stories about this. So if as you guys heard about the music is pretty stressful at the middle, and it's pretty beautiful according to the voiceover, and then a bit struggling at the end. And the way Badenal guide me to make the music has inspired me a lot. So as you've heard, the result, at the starting point, I tried to make everything sounded like a bedtime stories. So if you're familiar with the terms waltz music, it's really really nostalgic, so to speak,
And surreal.
and surreal. Yeah, very dreamy. As the voiceover said that Bali is really beautiful. The God made the world as the gods made the world, and then they grew tired and make their own paradise to relax. And the gods named the place Bali. I mean, that's the plot twist. That's where everything is begin. And then I try to make the music as spacious as possible, as beauty as possible, with the touch of gamelan, with the uplifting mood as possible. And then
I think you did
Paranaldo,
great. Yeah, I totally can feel
yeah,
it.
yeah, and then Paranaldo give some hint, give me a clue. Okay, after show the ball is beautiful. Okay, just bring it up, that smack it down. Okay, and then poof, everything seems like a chaotic, you know. And then because there's a few moments that really big in here, that pretty chaotic moment, just like Bombali, as you remember, and then the pandemic situation, and the kidung is, oh my god, the singer did the job really well. I barely touched the kidung, and his voice is so beautiful, I think personally. And then actually I start the main key chord, the chord, all the notes is from the kidung, and the arrangement, the composition is all around the kidung. So it's building up the tension a bit, and I try to build the music as as heavy as possible. So it's the dynamics is really slow, but at the same time, there's some challenge to make it as there's a challenge to build it so you guys don't get bored to hear it, you know. And then Bob, then at the end of the music, you can hear that everything is grande, but the pace is slow because we are at that moment right now. We are hopeful, but we try to figure out how. And Bali is trying to figuring out how to get out of this situation. They are struggling, and I pretty much believe that they are pretty hopeful about this situation. And I
Right.
think that's pretty much the story.
Hmm. Oh, there's a question here from the audience. They say, so let's say if you're only allowed to use 3 VSTs or sound libraries for the rest of
yeah.
your life,
Oh,
which
wow.
ones do you keep? And
Okay,
do you have a favorite synth?
Yes. Absolutely. First of all, it's from Orchestra Tools. It's called the Metropolis series. I'm pretty sure it's pretty famous one. It's called. It is a company from Germany that make really high quality of sound libraries. So as you can hear, the orchestral section, everything sounds so realistic, and that's what the sound is coming from. Orchestral Tools Metropolis series. it saves your life a lot and save your times a lot. And then synth wise, I preferably use Omnisphere and Zebra, Uhe Zebra. That's the most versatile plugin that I've ever used, and I'm pretty. I believe everyone who touched the digital music creation will feel the same.
Okay. Thank you very much, Pak Tommy, for the sharing about the music.
Thank you.
And because I
Thank
believe
you.
everyone here agree that if you want to create animation, first, definitely you need to know the theme, definitely what's the building for. But once you go into animation, the first thing that you need to learn about is the music. And then you keep up with the beat of the music. I know nothing about the music. I know I only can enjoy the music. And that is why I give a lots of freedom to Pak Tommy, and I just ask him to go wild as you can, because I always believe if you want to create a very good art, work of art, you will need a lots of freedom. Like you can, so you can unleash all of your creativity. That's what I always believe. That is why I'm not someone can be dictated.